And oh yeah, so in fact, here we kind of are coming up with it, right? Here, if this is a fixed value, right? If I just wrote this down here, what do I want this to mean? I want this to be a free variable, and I want this to be a fixed value, right? Remember we were looking at those the remove for all, the remove exists, and we want them to look different, right? Between an arbitrary value and a fixed value. So I gave this extra notation, right? And then we can say, well, if this G is really fixed, it should work for every boy, right? So here we're saying this is what this relates to. There exists one constant that works for every boy, right? Over here, well, for every boy, it's a different girl, right? So for the formal proof, I'm adapting this notation, right? Because this tells me free variable B. Now there's some, right? There's some fixed function G mapping boys to girls, and you give me any boy, there's a girl that works, right? Everybody see that? Right. And when George and I were going around and around, he was hating it, and eventually he confessed to me that he didn't make this up. They're called Skolem functions. I assume Skolem is some dead white guy. Right. So it's just saying these kind of, here we're saying there exists a function, right, that does the trick, right? And as if, it's